Yes, I'm using my wife's makeup case with a little mirror on it, but I had to show you this. This is like real black up underneath there. And I've got a toothbrush. I'm going to show you how to do it, which, I mean, I'm sure you can figure it out. But see how the water's spraying? That's real weak. Turned on real low. And take this and just do this and see all that stuff coming out. It's all kinds of black. I don't know what it is for sure, but it is what it is. And now look at it. It runs perfect. This is just a quick fix. I mean, you could use chemicals on it if you want to, but like this right here is pretty nasty, if you can see that. It's not as bad as everything else, but this one is still nasty. And just rub it around like this, and it'll help it. And then see all the black stuff in there? And that probably depends on where you're living at too. And take this, see how crazy it sprays? Take and just rub it like this. And you can see how much better that looks. And that's pretty much it on that one. Thanks. Please subscribe.